Hey everybody, Adam Savage in my cave, and I want to talk about Legos, specifically printed Legos, screen printed Legos. I am 57 years old, and I came of age in my Lego education at exactly the time Lego was releasing its first space sets. And it was a really nice time to be alive because things like this would come with your Lego sets, and they were little computer screens. And each set that had one of these were so freaking precious. This is an upside down one. Here's how precious these are. 45 years later, I still know exactly where to find all my Lego computer monitors. And there's been some modern upgrades. They didn't have white ones when I was a kid, and they definitely didn't have the radar one when I was a kid. But I'll tell you, the thing is that these computer screens were so precious to me. This is so awesome. These computer screens were so precious to me that I augmented my collection with hand-drawn versions. And these are the 4 that remain of my hand-drawn Legos. I'm pretty sure that's all of them. Yeah, that's it. I made these when I was like 11 years old. This is how precious these were to me. And like, again, still this precious. And so I was super, super chuffed when Sean Charlesworth, Tested Zone Sean Charlesworth, made this beautiful 3D printed dimensional Lego computer screen. And then Angus MacLean, a good friend of mine, good friend of Tested, director of Lightyear and many other wonderful things, Angus told me about a guy who does his own screen printing on Legos for your Lego sets. And I was thinking, it'd be really cool to do a Lego cockpit. And that's what Angus told me about Brickrock Press. And I went on to their website, and we'll include a link in the description. And I ordered a king's ransom of some flat Lego tiles with computer screens on them. Look at these beauties. This is just to whet my appetite on this. And they're gorgeous. Like, I'm really happy with how these look. And they really are. It feels very authentically to the original. Like, it's a very robust coat of color. The colors are bright, they pop. And this included a little note from Andrew from the Brickworks, from Brickrock Press. He said, "Thanks so much for the order. You caught me in the middle of a printing blitz. So I cooked up a Savage minifig to add to your order. I've been a fan since Mythbusters and often wandered into your YouTube channel and figured it was a fun way to say thanks. Dude, he's made a little version of me as a Lego minifig." Andrew, thank you, Andrew. This is beautiful. I love that you screen printed the Savage logo in the NASA font on this t-shirt. That makes it a particularly awesome addition to my collection. You are awesome. And it looks to me, yes, you gave me a short sleeve shirt and a watch. That's your own screen printing. Am I right? Are you doing your own tempo printing here? That is super cool. And I know that some of you might be thinking about this. I would be remiss in this discussion of the import of Lego computer screens and how I used to draw my own. I'm sure some of you are already putting in the comments that I should know about Brick Assembly. Brick Assembly is a person who has embedded a completely working OLED screen into this form factor, and it plugs into the Lego electric system and lights up and can play any of the animations of the Lego computer screens. We'll include a link to both Brickrock Press and Lego Assembly here in the description. So thanks to Andrew from Brickrock Press for the beautiful screens and the beautiful screen printed Adam minifig. And Brick Assembly, if you folks are watching this, just know that we at Tested are huge fans of your work and great admirers of the precision you brought to doing something I thought completely impossible until I watched you do it. Yeah, totally inspiring.
Reach out.
reach out to us. We'll talk. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon.
Thank you guys so much for watching that video. We have some brand new merch available at the store. A dog's age ago, I mean like 2018, 2019, this wonderful graphic designer named Brian Otterer reached out to us and sent us some stickers. He has a design firm called Dash 3 Dots, and we loved his stickers so much we wanted to sell them on the merch store. Well, he updated them with our new logo, and we've got Adam in the Martian spacesuit sticker. We've got Adam in the shuttle suit sticker. We've got Adam in the Apollo suit sticker. And my personal favorite, Adam in the alien spacesuit sticker. Get yours now, tested-store.com. Hey!